Welcome to the Tech Force Airgun Guru Show. And today we're going to talk about Series 3. And Series 3s in scopes. And the model that you're seeing before you, I have mounted on a Tech Force 97 air rifle, is a Tech Force 2-7 power by 32. Now as you see, I've got it mounted here on this Tech Force 97. And let's take these off. These are your shade covers, or sunscreens. And they're tinted a yellow. Set them down here in front. And on this particular rifle, when you're ordering a scope, most important thing is what kind of mounts do you need. And these are the standard Tech Force mounts. And I have one down here in front. And when you're buying mounts, the main thing is, as you see, is your clearance here on your scope. It must stay above the receiver. And since we're talking about being mounted on the gun, we'll go to the rear here, and this Tech Force 97 has a scope stop, so you always butt your rear mount against the scope stop. So this gun really is probably the premier gun with this particular type of scope. The 2-7 is one of the most popular scopes in the air gun industry, and this is made by the Tech Force people. And this scope here, lengthwise, is 12 inches long, and the tube is 1 inch. And I'm going to have the cameraman come down in front because I want to get you guys to get a closer look at this thing here. And we're going to take the turrets covers off, and I'll set them to the side. And I'm doing this up close because I want you to see how the adjustment works on this here. Alright, and this is your elevation, and you can see it's calibrated 1/4 inch for every 1 click, and you see the direction up. And I'm going to spin it around. You can see it's calibrated around, and then you can hear it click, hopefully. And then we'll look at the windage. I'll roll it over where he can get that. And it also, you have a directional arrow, and it's a 1/4 inch for every 1 click adjustment. And then we go to, when you get it mounted on the top of the or on the gun, your front bell. This reticle here has a, let's roll it around, there's 7.5 yards. I hope you can get that. And you have a dot right there. And you can adjust your yardage. Of course, this scope goes up to 100 yards. And you do this first, wherever yardage you're going to shoot at. And then you come to the rear of the scope. And this has a 2-7 zoom on it. Or I'm sorry, it's a 2-7 zoom. Here we go. Alright, 2 power. And it rolls on around. Here we get the opposite side to 7 power. So moves in that direction. That's your zoom. And of course on the end you can fine tune it to your eye relief. But those are the adjustments. So when it's mounted on the gun, if I can get him to come back here to the top here, again, very simply, yardage adjustment on front, which is calibrated here on the front bell, and you get your yardage you're going to shoot at. And this is a great option because you can roll it over with your thumb, and there's your zoom, 2-7 power, real smooth. And again, your final eye relief is, you can adjust this to really fine tune it. And again, it comes with the covers. So this is one of the mainstreams, most popular scopes, because when you're shooting air guns, you're not shooting 200 yards, 300 yards. This is an up close and personal scope. I really like it. I have it on 2 or 3 different regular firearms I have, and on 1 air gun. And again, this is on the Tech Force 97. Now let's kind of go over here to the side, and when we featured this accessory in a separate video, but this is also mounted on a 2.7 by 32, and this is your flashlight. We're not going to shine it directly into the camera, and then there's your laser on the bottom, and this is again on a 2.7 by 32. But this accessory here is an option that you can buy, and it's, of course, we demonstrated it in a separate video. So again, back to the 2.7. It's one of the most popular scopes on the market. We've been selling these scopes here for virtually 25 years, and they have the warranty that's out of this world. So guys, if you're looking for the right scope for your gun, this is where I'd be looking. And this is a Tech Force 2.7 by 32. So from the Tech Force Airgun Guru, have a nice day.